My generation and I have neglected it.
Will children still know what a cow in the meadow looks like?
A sustainable building isn't more expensive.
We must dare to take the initiative.
The European Union has made an important decision. Houses built from the year 2020 onward are to be virtually energy neutral, and existing houses will face tougher energy requirements. This is good news for the climate, but also for homeowners. They'll soon notice their energy bills going down. The EU decision is also a warning signal to the building industry. Building plans for 2020 will be on the table in the next few years. This means the shift to sustainable materials and building methods must be made quickly. In short, it's 5 to 12. It's now or never. We cannot afford to wait any longer with real measures. If we intend to offer our children a better future, we must come to grips today with sustainable, energy-saving, green building. The aerated concrete industry is demonstrably prepared for the norms that will come into play in 2020. Its innovative building products and intelligent construction methods have proven their added value and will continue to do so in every conceivable part of the built environment. Whether for living, working, studying, relaxing, caring, or building, the aerated concrete industry has a sustainable building solution. Houses are Europe's biggest energy wasters. They consume too much energy. Not just when they're being used, through heating and air conditioning systems, but also during construction, production and transportation of materials, building activities. All of these offer room for improvement when it comes to sustainability. The aerated concrete industry has been ahead of the market for years in this area. For the production of its products, it uses natural raw materials and as little energy as possible. These products are almost fully recyclable as well. What's far more important, however, is to make sure houses consume less energy when they're being lived in. The aerated concrete industry has a number of materials for this purpose with excellent characteristics. The products have outstanding insulating properties. On top of that, these materials are compatible with all current construction methods and remarkably easy to apply. Sustainable house building with a difference. That's what extra-thick, energy-saving blocks are all about. They can be used to quickly build solid exterior walls as an alternative to brick cavity walls. The blocks offer a very high insulating value as well as a clean and distinctive end result. The EU decision will also impact the existing housing supply. Facade insulation is one of the measures homeowners will have to take to comply with requirements. To meet this challenge, the aerated concrete industry has developed a stone-like but lightweight solution for insulating facades on the inside and outside. This lightweight block is a strong insulator and easy to apply. Whether in office buildings, production halls, or storage rooms, most energy is lost through heating and cooling. This is why properly insulating the building envelope is the top priority in the development of construction plans. Wall and roof panels can make a significant contribution in this area, ensuring less energy consumption both in summer and in winter, thanks to the insulating and heat accumulating properties of the aerated concrete they're made of. Extreme peaks in exterior temperatures will have far less impact on the interior climate and help cut the cost of heating and cooling. An additional effect is that these panels provide a consistent working climate, thus improving employee performance. Energy consumption is a challenge for educational institutes too. School buildings are often poorly insulated and randomly designed. Interior climates often leave much to be desired. Excessive CO2 concentrations, temperatures, and humidity levels have an adverse effect on students' performance. The AAC industry believes in school buildings in which heating and ventilation are sustainably balanced. Autoclaved aerated concrete is a natural porous material with heat accumulating qualities. It helps create a consistent and pleasant learning climate. On top of that, its insulating properties help schools reduce energy consumption. AAC building products offer a lot of freedom when it comes to choosing an architectural design or building method. Extra efficiency advantages are possible if you opt for prefab construction. Shops, hotel and catering establishments, sports facilities, museums, malls, they all tend to open wide their doors to emphasize their hospitality. The added cost of heating or cooling tends to be taken for granted. An automatic sliding door may help cut your energy bill. Choosing aerated concrete products for building or renovating may also contribute significantly to sustainability in this industry. Sustainability also means that what you build must last long. AAC building solutions can meet this requirement too. Despite their light weight, they stand out for their stiffness, robustness, and carrying capacity. No wonder roof panels are preferred to traditional steel constructions with steel roof panels when it comes to flat roofs with a large surface. The reduced risk of collapse resulting from heavy rain or snowfall is obvious. The aging of the population is expected to boost the construction of hospitals, retirement homes, and nursing homes, not just in numbers, but also in terms of how these facilities are built. An intelligent design with plenty of light and green components can contribute significantly to the well-being of residents and patients. Rotterdam's Sophia Children's Hospital is a good example of this kind of designing. AAC roof panels were used here as the basis for a so-called green roof. Covered with mosses and plants, the roof itself serves as a water buffer, mitigating pressure on the sewer system under heavy rainfall. The roof also enjoys enhanced insulation, captures particulates, reduces the heating of the city environment, and contributes to an ecological mood. This is sustainability at its best. The building industry faces its greatest challenge ever. The climate is changing, that much we know. If we wish to offer our children a future, we will have to radically change our attitude towards sustainable building. The European aerated concrete industry is ready for this change, offering solutions that are affordable, creative, and smart, and ranging from innovative products to intelligent building methods. All with the purpose of reducing energy consumption and contributing to a more sustainable world, now, in 2020, and in the time beyond. It's 5 to 12. There's still some time. But if we wish to be ready for the future by 2020, we'll have to start preparing today.